Hi guys, the war is back, but I don't see Lil Jim Bob anywhere. Last time I went, I saw a clue of Lil Jim Bob was that I saw his feathers in the garage. I think he might have died. I tried tracking it, that means there was a trail, but couldn't find him. So rest in peace, Lil Jim Bob. 2025 to 2026.
You don't even know when he was born.
Yeah, I know. Did you just see that? There's a different type of chicken pigeon. Does anybody know what I should name him and his variety and rarity? Wait, this is the stop button. Okay, bye guys.